Welcome everybody to a new unboxing video. This unboxing video will be part of my Halloween costume contest coming up. This one is about Joseph Crackstone. And Wiki fandom says Joseph Crackstone is the overarching antagonist of the first season of the 2022 Netflix TV show Wednesday. He is the ancestor of the Gates family and a Puritan who despises outcasts and wants to wipe them all out from Jericho. Now they don't make a Joseph Crackstone costume, so I have to create my own. So first, set this aside. Let's check this out. Now we have an old version and young version and an old version. Joseph Crackstone. Okay, in this box we have a knife. So this will be Joseph Crackstone's knife. It's a rubber knife, so nobody gets hurt. So it comes with a rubber sheath also. That's nice. Sheath is rubber. So we got Joseph Crackstone's knife and sheath. So let's set that box aside. Now I think I know what's in this next one. If I could get it open. And if I don't, knock my tripod off. Most of it. I'd have to cut some. There we go. My Power Deluxe tool from Walmart.com. Whoa, let's see what's in this one. Okay, in this one, we have a mask that I chose from Zagon Studios. Because these masks are lighter rubber, and I don't know if you can see, but the mouth does open. So this will be Joseph Crackstone's face when he's old. Let's see what this looks like. Take this out. Okay, so there we go. He's got hair, ears, mouth opens when you talk. Pretty cool. They used to be real expensive. Now they're a lot cheaper than they used to be, these masks. Okay, now I think we have multiple items in this box. Set that like that. Open the next one. Okay, what's in this box? Oh. Got a pair of socks. Now this is a pilgrim costume. Joseph Crackstone was a pilgrim and a witch hunter. So we've got a cape because he wore a cape in the movie. So we got this this standard cape. This is a vampire cape. And I can see the pilgrim costume right here. There we go. know if you can see all this. Okay. There's our pilgrim costume, similar to the one he had. We got I don't know if it comes with the hat, you know, I don't think I got the hat. I'll have to buy that hat separate. It might be in here. It comes with a shirt, with cuffs and collar pants. Oh, it does come with a hat with a buckle, and a belt with a buckle. Extra large, make sure it fits the big guy that's going to play it. And then we've got, oh, I needed some nail clippers, so I found these 6 for around $7. A good deal. Probably the same thing you find in any store, only they want to charge about that much for one or two now. We have colonial shoe buckles. I don't know if we need those or not. Let's find out what's in this package. Oh, I don't want to cut anything. I feel like I'm going to cut something. Oh, I almost did. Okay, I don't know if this was in the movie or not, but I saw this advertised and I liked it, so it's cool. It's a candelabra. Make a nice effect. It's battery operated. I don't know. I don't think there's any batteries in it, but yeah, let's set that over here. Oh, it's gone now. And it came back again. Here it is. A little bit crooked. Okay. In the last box, looks like they made 2 boxes into one big box here. This giant box. Let's find out what this is. I don't know how to open this. Fold it in. Okay. Joseph Crackstone's cane or staff. Now in the movie this lights up. But yeah, pretty nice. It's not exactly like the one in the movie, but close. Let's get a better look at this. There we go. Pretty nice. Heavy too. Got a rubber tip made out of, I don't know if that's wood. I think it's plastic. It's heavy though. Probably because of this glass or plastic end. So there we have it. The Joseph Crackstone costume. Got the mask. We got a knife. Get the cane. We got the costume and the cape. Right there, so thanks for watching. I got more costumes coming up, so don't forget to tune in again. Like, subscribe, comment if you want, and take care.